Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Money is Blind podcast. So, for the last 2 weeks, I've been trying to change the default text which is shown in the website that I am building right now. Which, if you have been listening to all my previous episodes, will be knowing that I'm using WooCommerce and WordPress. So, WooCommerce is a plugin which can be used to sell products, and most of the websites which uses WooCommerce, they're using it to sell products. But in my website, I'll be primarily selling services, online consultations for various health conditions, and all those kind of things. Of course, I'll be selling some products, but I want to change it in such a way that in some products, the word products are replaced with services, and some others like cart and checkout, I can replace both products and services with items. It's like a unisex word which can be used for both products and services. So I try to do it with the help of ChatGPT, because AI has become kind of like my part-time developer. I ask it for code snippets and it generates me. I try it on my website. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I was able to change many words from products to services and some to items in my staging website with the help of ChatGPT and the code it provided me. I don't know PHP or HTML or CSS or any that kind of code, but I know how to write a good AI prompt, and with that, I can generate what I want, and I copy the code which ChatGPT provides me and put it in my functions.php file in my child theme. So if you don't know what a child theme, I'll be explaining it in another episode, not in this one. So sometimes it work for changing the add to cart button. It worked for changing the return to shop button. I was able to change the proceed to checkout button. All those kind of buttons I was able to change. And right now, I'm stuck with whether I should. I'm stuck with this dilemma on whether I should go for the Elementor Pro. The freelancer developers who I hired to build this website from scratch, they didn't build it from scratch. They used some templates and they used Elementor Pro, but now I realize that it was not the Elementor Pro version, which can be used to edit WooCommerce pages like cart and checkout. And their license is also not a valid one, because when I try to update the Elementor Pro plugin, which is separate from the Elementor plugin, I'm not able to do that. And I think it's because of the license key which is being used. So I checked Elementor Pro's website, and if you don't know what Elementor Pro is, it is a website builder within WordPress. It's like a plugin. You can install this plugin and do whatever you want. You don't need to know code. It's a drag and drop website builder. It comes with many elements. That's what they call them. Suppose you want to create a countdown timer in a web page. Suppose if you want to create a pop-up page, a form, and if you want to customize it in any way that you want, you can do it by hiring developers, or you can do it with the help of this plugin. So Elementor Pro, it of course makes your site slower, but it makes things very easy. And if you're wondering how I am going to use this plugin as a blind person. I'm not. I am training my personal assistant to be my eyes, and he will be telling me what is on the screen. And I've shown him some Elementor Pro videos on YouTube, and that's kind of an amateur training program, but I think that's enough to learn Elementor or any other website builder for that matter. And once he is trained, I'll be able to make the changes to all the pages in my new website the way I want it. So I visited the Elementor Pro plans, and the essential plan, that's their smallest plan. It starts at $59 a month. I try to go for the monthly plan, but they are not offering monthly plans. They are mentioning that it will be $4.92 per month, but there's no option to pay the bills monthly. Of course, there is a free version, but it doesn't come with the ability to edit WooCommerce pages, and that's what I want. I want to customize the WooCommerce pages so that I can make it look a bit more professional. I don't want my website to be very, very simple looking and just black and white. I want it to look professional, and I don't want to hire some random developers to do this work for me. I can train my personal assistant to do this. I can learn some Elementor theory, and the practical work my personal assistant will be doing. So the essential plan, it doesn't come with the WooCommerce editing feature, but it comes with forms, pop-ups, and many of Elementor's elements. The next one, that is the plan that I'm looking at. It's called the advanced plan, and it starts at $99 a month. No, that's my mistake. It's $99 a year, and that'll be around $8.25 a month. But the main difference is that this plan comes with WooCommerce editing features, and I hope I'll be able to check it out before I commit to this plan. And it also comes with 3 website licenses, so I'll be able to use this in 2 of my other websites, the same license. So I'll be using it, and I'll be letting you what I think about it. There are more plans. I think it's called expert and agency plan. It goes from $199 to $399 billed annually, and I'm not going to get that. I don't need it. But this thing, I will try it out, and if it works, I'll keep it. I'll be a subscriber because it'll make my job easier as a blind solo entrepreneur. So website builders, that was today's topic. If you are new to WordPress, you should definitely try out Elementor and its premium plugin, Elementor Pro. So if you have used it, what do you think about it? Tell me about your experience in the comment section if you are listening to this podcast in the website, or you can send me a voice message. Right then, guys, talk to you later. You guys take care. Bye bye.